What's good, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Hope you guys are all well, man. So yesterday was an interesting day. I ended up taking another trade that helped recover the account. We got this buy right over here. So I'm gonna show you guys right now. So this failed, uh, and then price just bought. It just ended up waiting for that London high and then opening range gap midpoint and then almost closing the gap right over there. It's not closed yet. There's still that bit of it left. But let me show you guys this trade real quick. Let me just go to it real quick. There you go. That's the buys I took. See, there's the short I took and we lost that. And then I went for buys and damn, recovered the account. So the account is in good standing right now. We basically just we have news. I don't know what do I expect for today now that we have news. I genuinely don't know what to expect. I don't know what to expect. I really don't. But it's like later on in the day, though. It doesn't really disrupt us. It just depends on how the market is this morning. We do have this. I was so confused between these two, which I'm gonna count as my first value gap because usually I would not count this because since I was taught that it is the smallest one and then it got utilized here. I don't know, but I'm gonna delete this one. I'm gonna stick to my guns. I'm gonna keep the small one and we see what we get at market open. Let's see what we get. On the 15-minute, we do have this small figure gap right over there. We have this one, we have this big one that this range that we are in. So let's just see how this first 15 minutes goes, and then I'll probably see which direction price would want to go. I never set bias like that and put it like that. So let's wait and see. Oh no, wait. Um, oh no, wait. Uh, there we go. Much better. Yeah, a couple of seconds. It looks like we might have a small opening range gap. And usually when we have a small opening range gap, the price action in the morning is kind of ass. I won't be surprised if the price action was ass because we do have news at 2 o'clock. Um, yeah, but let's just see how price action is, and if it's ass, then we'll not take any trades. If it's clean, we will take trades. So I hope we have a small opening range gap, so that doesn't really count. So this is the opening range gap that we have, really small. Next, close to that first fair value gap as well. So let's see what price does during market open. Hmm. Mm, mm, with this minus sell side. Mm, Looks like we're gonna attack this London low. That's suspect. I do have the primary sell side. These are relatively good lows right there. It's coming back into this value gap. Coming back with the small value gap. We do have the end dogs right there. So let's see what price sweep. You said these minor, this minor sell side. Let's see. Do we come and take these out with these nice relative equal highs, and then we have the London high right there. I'm sorry, this is gonna, oh my day, this is gonna be our first value gap. So you're gonna see price respect that upper half and then use it to go, and then use it to go catch the London high. Let's see what the London high. Let's see what price use this to come take out the London high. And then we can potentially have a Judah swing where we go below this to come and take this out. We're just gonna have to wait and be patient for it. at the midpoint. And it's coming back into this one right there. Just like if it does close below this, definitely sells. You're having a reaction of that and dog. I must sell this once price goes below it. If you sorry, if you close below this, you could use that to sell. If we close below it. Oh no, we're not. Okay, we didn't close below it. Na, 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 na. Honestly, price we chase back up here a little bit. So you could start shorting it. There we go. I went for shorts. So first TP is the London low, of course, which is only at $17. Okay, that's a little bit over leveraged, if you ask me. A little bit too over leveraged. Let me show you guys. Ah, into those two. That's what I'm aiming for. Stop losses above. Stop losses. It's very bad risk reward, if you ask me. I'm trying to see if price would be willing to come like here or this low right there. So let me show you guys what I mean. We went for shorts there, as you guys can see. You're risking a lot on this trade. It's like $52. I'm not gonna lie. So if that first TP can just get hit, that'd be great. Yeah, let's see what happens. I'll put the other one for now. Buy this low. Ideally, these lots of equal lows do look solid though. Ideally. Yeah, let's just see how this works out. I'm trying to see how would it be if I put that second TP here, then the first one maybe here. But what I am looking at that I'm avoiding to burn me is this daily wake consequent encouragement right there. So that's one thing I'm not quite certain about, because price can reject off this, and we can see higher prices. And this 50-minute candle is not the best at the moment. So full trade is this. If I do see like there's no momentum and price takes us out, I'll just take the trade out, because I'll just take it out because I know that it could potentially reverse and come for the London high, because we have the London high above there. Let's see. Just want to lower my stops as it goes. We are respecting the lower half of the fair value gap, which is good. Oh, my entry is stuck here. Around about there. So my entry is. Let's see what happens, guys. Either this could go right or go very wrong. I'm down a lot. And also losing $52 in one trade. I'm done for the week if I lose this one. Franklin Jordan. Show you guys. This is what happens when you have a small opening range gap. Price is just bad. Hopefully we don't pay a mean price for this. I low-key want to move my stops to maybe below this wick right over here. This wick right over there. This wick. This one. Just need the first TP to get here. That's all we need, chat. First TP. And it's like only $17, by the way. Or $18. You see, do we get that hit? That London low. I genuinely think we should just take out the trade here. Hey, this price action is not the best. 53. It's not the best. Okay, got stopped out. My move does stop below that. I think we'll just leave it at 18. I'm gonna move it down there, and then if we can tag that one more time, I'm gonna hop off and call it a day. Honestly speaking, I'm gonna leave it at that. Whether it continues or not, I'm fine. I'll just take my $36 and just go on about my day, honestly. I'd rather take a win. But these lows, bro, or this low, I really like this low. At the same time, like the market is just moving some type of way, and I'd rather not risk it. So this is like a what, 1:1. So, and I'm done for the day. I'm done. I got taken out. You guys can see that. Both positions. We got a W. I guess a quick scalp. We were risking a lot in this trade, and I don't want to hold it anymore because you have a small opening range gap, and you're just spending too much time here. I don't want to hurt myself in the midst of all of this. So yeah, clean day if you ask me. If it does continue going low without me, that's fine. Because I was aiming for this low right over here, but this daily week midpoint might be the barrier right there. But I was aiming for this low. That's my second TP, which was like 30, was it 40 something dollars? Yeah. Uh but I'll take the small scalp today. I'm good. $38 in the day. So we're only left with 37 more dollars to make. Makes the challenge less harder. We're only left with 37 more dollars and it's tanking. Oh my days. Doing a nice drop there. Oh my days. Oh my days. It's going for a chat. Oh my days. I really doubted it. I'm not gonna lie. I really did. We had that daily wake midpoint. Ugh. Hey, I'm happy, man. We got a win. It's just damn. It's actually going for it. I don't mean to sound greedy, but Yo, Nasdaq, Nasdaq, bro. And that goes to $46. It just hit TP. It would have just hit TP. Oh, there goes TP. It would have been smacked. Ah, it's whatever. I'll take my win. I'll take my win. It's better than nothing. It's better than nothing. Oh yeah, boys. That's it for me for today. Went for short. I did move my. I did just end up just taking the London low as first TP. Not the best risk reward, honestly, because we're risking a lot when the trade started. We're basically risking a lot. So, but I'll take the win. I'll take the win. We have less work to do tomorrow. Less greed for tomorrow because we just need. Let me just do the math real quick. I think the target goal is $25 minus the. I think we are up $38. We just need $37 more to make. She just makes it easier, if you ask me. Makes the job easier. But yeah, TP would have full TP would have been hit. But I'm happy. I wasn't greedy. And I'm confident that we could get this done tomorrow. For sure, we can get this done tomorrow. Um, so yeah, I'm gonna see you guys on the next one. I'm done. Uh, ooh, we get an inversion. The price might wanna come for the London high. Who knows? But I'm done. I'm done. I'm gonna wait until 10 o'clock, 6 more minutes, and then yeah, I'm gonna see you guys on the next one. Let me just delete these for the download. Oh, the day I decide to not be greedy, not saying that the other days I am greedy, but that sucks. Nice shade. I just did that for the thumbnail. I'll just put it back. Yep, I think we are gonna come for this primary sell side. And look how nice the price came today. Oh my days. You see this week, it aligns with this daily week. Consequent encouragement price came in, touched it, and then we're having a nice displacement down. Shebang. Oh, 3 minutes. I actually feel good. I thought I might feel angry now that I could have just made more money, but I'm rather happy that I was out of the safe than sorry. You know what I mean? Because of this mess that was going on in here. It's just horrible. Oh, I want to see this now. Look how price respecting the midpoint of this first Verde gap. Look at that. Oh, I forgot to put the. There you go. Those 2 minutes back. We have this Verde gap here. This is a good call. Okay, guys, I'm gonna hop off now. See you guys in the next one. W day. Yeah. Cheers. Bye.